Hello, it's Melissa Henig, and I haven't been on here in a really long time. But I want to show you the frosting to this birthday cake for my 3-year-old son that I'm making. I already made the bottom. The whole cake is raw. So the bottom, I will tell you that later because what we're working on right now is the frosting. So here we go. It is a buttercream frosting, and this is raw butter that I let sit on the counter. Well, I actually put it by the wood burning stove so that it would soften. It's easier to soften in the summer. And oh, so here's the truth. I have never made this. I mean, I have made many versions of this, but I don't have an exact recipe, so we're gonna do this together. So write it down and we'll see how it comes out. Usually comes out pretty good. Okay, so 1 tablespoon, kind of heaping tablespoons of raw butter. Let's see, 3, I'm gonna say 5. 4, 5. All right, so 5 heaping tablespoons of raw butter. And what I did was already cut some things up so we can make this really quick, because I know people just don't have quite as much of an attention span these days. So this is 1 apple. Chopped it up, make it a little bit easier on the Vitamix. And then we're gonna add dates as the sweetener. These are medjool dates. I soaked them and pitted them. And I soaked them in water for probably 2 hours so they're softer. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10. Perfect. Totally unplanned. So that worked out really good. 5 tablespoons raw butter, 1 apple, 10 pitted dates. And I'm gonna put in 1 raw egg. Probably don't have to if you don't want to. I just really like the health benefits of raw eggs. These are raw, pasture-raised, organic. Always know where your eggs come from because not all eggs are created equal. And then I'm gonna put just a touch of water so that this could move and blend easier. A little bit of filtered water. Probably about, if you really want to measure, 2 tablespoons. Okay, here we go. That definitely needs a little bit more water. Here we go. All right, now it's gonna move. But he's out in the garage in the car. Okay. I don't think he woke up. So that's it. I can taste it. Or wait, actually, you know what? This is for a birthday party. I was almost gonna just put this in my mouth, but I'll just do 1 finger. Delicious. Oh shoot, I forgot the cinnamon. Okay, let's put a little bit of cinnamon in. So the reason why I want to add cinnamon is because, I guess I can talk louder. His birthday cake on the bottom is a carrot birthday cake, and I thought cinnamon would be really good. Okay, here we go. So this cake on the bottom, it's 3 ingredients. It's pecans, shredded carrots, and dates, and cinnamon. Okay? This is gonna harden when the butter hardens in the fridge a little. I really wanna lick this, but let's do that after. This is, well, so here's the thing. You don't have to put the cinnamon if you're not putting it on carrot cake. It would just be apples, butter, and dates. But since this is kind of a carrot cake thing, I thought cinnamon would be good. So that's it. Tastes really delicious. It's raw buttercream frosting. And I'm gonna put this in the fridge for, let's see, an hour. And then it'll be ready for the birthday party. Yay! Okay, so let me know if you guys make this and how it comes out, because like I said, this is not like an exact recipe. So have fun.